Hey, it's Narreau here with Realty One Group Empire, back with another video. And in this video, I want to talk to you about refinancing. So I know you've heard that interest rates, they keep dropping. They've been dropping all year long. So you might want to consider refinancing now. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should consider refinancing now. Now, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they have said that interest rates are going to continue to drop into 2021. But who knows what's going to happen with that? 2020 has been wild enough. Who knows what 2021 is going to hold? Let's just hope it is for the better, because I think another year of 2020, man, I don't know about that. Let's hope 2021 is, sunshine and rainbows for the whole year. So, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should consider refinancing now. So let's go. All right, so the first reason why you should consider refinancing is because of the historical low interest rates. Interest rates can only get so low before they have to go up. We're at historical lows right now. Seems like a good time to refinance if you can lower your interest rate. Now, you also want to make sure that it is financially beneficial for you to refinance now. Now, if you plan on moving in, let's say, the next year, maybe 2, probably not a good idea. It's probably going to cost you more to refinance than the return on investment that you would make. Now, if you plan on staying, let's say, the next 5, 10, or you don't plan on moving at all, it's probably a good idea to refinance, get the lower interest rate, which in turn can give you a lower monthly payment. Or if you want, you could keep the same payment and have more of that payment go towards the principal. In my eyes, I think it's a win-win situation, but it's up to you to make that decision. So with that being said, let's jump into reason number 2. All right, so the second reason why you should consider refinancing is if your credit score has improved since you bought your home. So with a higher credit score, that in turn will usually give you a better rate. Higher credit score, better interest rate. Better interest rate, lower house payment, or like I said earlier, you can keep the payment the same and have that extra money go towards the principal. Win-win situation. That's what we're looking for here. So if you need help, or if you need some tips on how to improve your credit score, I made a video. I'll put it up here. I'll link it in the description. So that way, if your credit score hasn't improved, at least you can get the ball rolling on that to improve your credit score, which in turn will give you a better rate and save you money over the term of your mortgage. Let's go to tip number 3. All right, and the third and final reason why you should consider refinancing is to cash out your equity. Now, in the past couple of years, home prices have risen dramatically. So if you have the equity in your home, it might be a good idea to pull that equity out. Now, be careful. If you're going to do that, please put that money towards something where you're going to see a return on it. So if you're going to take that money out, maybe you do some remodeling to the home, new kitchen, new flooring, new countertops. Or maybe you take that money and put it towards maybe a possible rental property or an investment property. Maybe you put it in the stock market. Make sure whatever you do with that money, if you're going to take it out, make sure it's something that you can get a return on. Or you can go the other route and take that money and go to Vegas and put it all on red. So the choice is yours. I would suggest being wise with that money and at least putting it towards something where you can see a return on it. Or while out. The choice is yours. So choose wisely. All right, there it is. Those are 3 reasons why you should consider refinancing. Now, if you like the information in this video, hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to help you out, whether you're either buying a home or selling a home. Please reach out to me. Here's my contact information. I'd love to help you out. And with that being said, my name's Narreau, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.